Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen where deliciousness meets simplicity. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and easy recipe, the classic German potato salad. It's light, flavorful and perfect for any meal. So let's get started. Ingredients: 500 grams potatoes, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 to 3 spring onions, chopped a handful of iceberg lettuce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 to 2 teaspoons lemon juice, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. Boil the potatoes, with skin, in salted water for 15 to 20 minutes or until fork tender. Drain the water and let the potatoes cool slightly. Peel the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into slices or cubes. Take a large mixing bowl. Add the warm, not hot potato pieces to the bowl. Add the finely chopped onion. Add the chopped spring onions. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper to taste. Toss everything gently until well combined. Taste the mixture. It should be tangy with a mild mustard flavor. Finally, add a handful of iceberg lettuce. Toss lightly again before serving. Serve warm or at room temperature. If you enjoyed this simple and delicious recipe, please don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes just like this one. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy cooking.